What's the meaning of completion? Completion. Completion.
Completion. Completion. Completion refers to the state of finishing or bringing a task or project to an end. It implies that all required tasks have been accomplished, and there are no more outstanding items remaining. Completion is a crucial aspect of project management, indicating that the project has reached its goals and objectives. Successful completion of a task results in a sense of accomplishment, satisfaction, and fulfillment. It allows individuals or organizations to move on to the next phase or project with confidence, knowing that their work has been finished to an acceptable standard.